Hi my homies, it's me again, the crazy traveler. I just finished my trip around California. I did 1,700 miles, which is almost 2,400 kilometers in 4 days. So it's quite a lot. I'm really happy and I really enjoyed it. God was with me because I was driving like in Switzerland 8 years ago, or six years ago, when I didn't care about nothing, but it was really amazing. I had the ride of my life, I think. I did Sacramento, so I started from San Francisco up to Sacramento, up to El Dorado Forest, South Lake Tahoe, then Mammoth Mountain, then Yosemite Valley, then then Fresno. I slept in Bakersfield, then I went to San Diego to have a little to visit during the afternoon with a friend of Melissa. It was pretty good, pretty quick but pretty good. Then I went to LA during the night, almost racing in the 6-lane highway with a man in the front of me who was opening the lanes for me, and the man was driving like Harley Davidson 1600, like really aggressive look with a mask, and like in the movies, and there was the sunset. We were driving 1 hour like crazy. It was a hell of a ride. Then I stopped in LA with a couple of Mexican I met in Miami 2 years ago. So they have a villa. I drive the pickup. We went to a party, Mexican party. 18 songs like from Dusk Till Dawn of Robert Rodriguez. So it was amazing ambient. Everybody throwing beers away. I've never seen that in my life. So in a little club, like it was outside festival, but it was inside a little club, but really good people. And then I took my bike again, so 2 days rest to be able to drive all the coast on the Highway 1, which is one of the most beautiful roads that you can have, and up to Monterey. So first Laguna Seca and then Monterey. Monterey, I think it's the most beautiful city I ever seen in my life, and I want to go live, or if I can choose, I will go live over there for sure. Have a house in San Francisco and a little house in Monterey, and yeah, it was really good ride along the coast, like a dream. Passing every car, like in Croatia with my friend in 2007, and then I'm here in San Francisco, back in the day, back again here, and I will meet Melissa and Paula tomorrow. We will have a great last week together, and yeah, that's it. And I'm here chilling in downtown San Francisco, near the Bay Bridge, enjoying the view, enjoying the noise of the city. So have a look on the Bay Bridge. There is actually 2 lanes. One lane which is going on the north, and it's it's the lane above, and then there is the lane Oh my god, I'm too tired. The upstairs lane, the lane which is yeah, up. Oh my god, fuck you. And then okay, whatever. It's a beautiful view. And then you can see a little the downtown area. Like this is the financial district. I choose my hotel here because it's in the middle of downtown. A woman got killed just last week here. So people, they told me to take care. But as you know me, yeah, I take care, but I like to be in the good places. Good places, if I may say so. Okay, guys, and I've been to Laguna Seca. There was a competition, racing car competition. I'm really lucky. Thank you, God. Thank you for all that what you've given to me. Thank you for everything. I will never thank you enough. And thank you for my homies. And thank you just to be alive and to be healthy and yeah, you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying, bro. You know what I'm saying. Okay, but I know what I'm saying. Okay, see you again for the next last video. I think it's gonna be tomorrow or end of week with Paula and Melissa. Okay, bye bye, miss you, ciao ciao.